10 vegetables diabetics should avoid. Number 7 will shock you. Think all vegetables are safe if you have diabetes. Think again. While most veggies are great for managing blood sugar, some can actually do more harm than good, especially when eaten in the wrong form or portion. In today's video, we're revealing 10 vegetables diabetics should avoid or at least eat with caution. Stay tuned for the smart tip at the end to learn how to safely enjoy your favorite vegetables without spiking your blood sugar. Number 1. White potatoes. White potatoes are high in starch, which breaks down into sugar quickly. Whether baked, mashed, or fried, they have a high glycemic index and can cause rapid blood sugar spikes. Choose sweet potatoes instead. They're lower on the glycemic index and have more fiber. White potatoes are high in simple carbohydrates, especially when baked or mashed. A medium potato has around 35 grams of carbs, which are digested quickly, causing rapid blood sugar spikes. Worse, when fried, like in French fries or chips, they also carry inflammatory fats. The combination of high carbs and high fat makes them dangerous for diabetics. Number 2. Sweet corn. Corn may seem like a veggie, but nutritionally, it behaves like a starchy carb. 1 cup of corn has around 30 grams of carbohydrates with very little fiber. Even healthy preparations like corn on the cob can cause sugar spikes if you're not watching portions. And let's not forget corn in soups, stews, or even tacos. It sneaks into many dishes. Number 3. Caramelized onions. Raw onions have minimal impact on blood sugar, but caramelized onions are a different story. The slow cooking process draws out and concentrates natural sugars, especially when prepared with oil or butter. These onions are often used as toppings on burgers, sandwiches, or in dips, and while tasty, they can add sugar and fat without you realizing. Number 4. Canned baked beans. Often marketed as a source of protein and fiber, canned baked beans are full of brown sugar, molasses, and syrup. A small serving may contain over 15 grams of sugar, turning a healthy legume into a hidden sugar bomb. Even reduced sugar varieties can be misleading. Always check labels. Number 5. Corn syrup-based vegetable products. Some canned vegetables, especially mixed or seasoned ones, are preserved in corn syrup, sugary brines, or sauces. Think of those sweet peas or glazed carrots. They often contain added sugars and salt, which can wreak havoc on blood sugar and blood pressure. Number 6. Pickled vegetables with added sugar. Pickled cucumbers, beets, and onions can be great for gut health, but not if they're pickled in sugar-heavy brine. Sweet pickles or bread and butter pickles may contain 8 to 12 grams of sugar per small serving. Number 7. Overcooked broccoli or spinach. Broccoli, cauliflower, and spinach are amazing for diabetics. When cooked right, overcooking them not only destroys vital nutrients, but also breaks down fiber, reducing their blood sugar buffering effects. This means your body absorbs carbs faster, and you miss out on the full benefit of these power veggies. Number 8. Eggplant in oil or sauce. Eggplant itself is healthy, but not when it's fried or smothered in sugary sauces like in eggplant parmesan. It becomes a high-calorie, high-carb dish that's no longer diabetic friendly. Number 9. Cooked carrots in large portions. Raw carrots are fine for most diabetics. They're low in carbs and high in fiber, but when cooked in honey, brown sugar, or glazes, they become sweet enough to spike blood sugar. Glazed carrots are often served as holiday dishes. Be cautious. Number 10. Tomato-based sauces with sugar. Tomatoes are naturally sweet, and many commercial sauces contain added sugars, especially ketchup, pasta sauce, and even salsa. 1 cup of tomato pasta sauce can have 12 to 15 grams of sugar, and that adds up quickly. Smart tip: how to eat veggies without spiking blood sugar. Here's the truth: you don't need to fear vegetables, just learn how to choose and prepare them wisely. Smart strategies. 1. Stick to non-starchy vegetables: broccoli, leafy greens, mushrooms, bell peppers, zucchini, green beans. 2. Prioritize raw, grilled, or steamed vegetables. Avoid anything fried or cooked in sugary sauces. 3. Check food labels. Even veggie-based products can be full of sugar and additives. 4. Watch portion sizes. Even healthy veggies like carrots or sweet potatoes can spike blood sugar in excess. 5. Combine with protein or fat. Eating veggies with nuts, olive oil, or lean meat slows digestion and sugar absorption. Remember, it's not just what you eat, but how and how much you eat it that matters. Let's recap what we've learned today. Vegetables are often seen as the healthiest food group, and for good reason. They're packed with fiber, antioxidants, and essential nutrients. But if you're living with diabetes, not all vegetables are created equal. Some of the veggies we talked about today, like white potatoes, corn, or sugary tomato sauces, might seem harmless, especially because they're so common in everyday meals. But when you dig deeper, you start to see how preparation methods, added sugars, and portion sizes can turn these healthy foods into something much riskier. So what does this mean for you? It doesn't mean you need to fear vegetables. It means you need to become an informed eater. When you're managing diabetes, it's about being intentional. Looking beyond the surface, reading labels, asking how your food is cooked, and understanding how it affects your body. Now, here's something most people don't talk about. Every diabetic is different. What spikes one person's blood sugar might not have the same effect on someone else. That's why it's so important to track your blood sugar, especially after meals. Keeping a food journal or using a continuous glucose monitor can help you see patterns and figure out what truly works for your body. Another thing to remember is balance. Just because something is on the avoid list doesn't mean you can never eat it again. For example, maybe you love mashed potatoes or baked beans. That's okay. It just means you need to plan for it. Maybe you eat a smaller portion, pair it with a lean protein, or have it earlier in the day when your body is more insulin sensitive. Health isn't about being perfect, it's about making better choices more consistently. So, if you found value in today's video, if something made you rethink your grocery list or how you cook your meals, then I encourage you to take the next step. Subscribe to our channel so you never miss new insights, tips, and tools to support your diabetes journey. Hit the like button, not just for us, but to help the algorithm share this information with others who need it. And don't forget to leave a comment below. Which vegetable shocked you the most today? Or tell us, what's one food you've stopped eating or learned to prepare differently because of your diabetes? Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Everly Health is here every week with fresh, research-backed content to help you live well with diabetes, one smart choice at a time. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next video.